first in first out is again one of the issues. Because if you don't have batch coding for the raw material, you can't prove first in first out. Even if you have batch coding, the awareness of the people, seriousness of the people, that is very, very important. So first in first out is again requirement of food safety regulation. And product recall, for the first time, Indian legislation talks about the product recall. Product recall means any bad product you call back from the market. And unless you have a strong traceability, you can't have a product recall. And that need to be submitted to the Food Safety Authority as a procedure. The next challenge I would say is, so what we should do is identification of material, batch coding, adequate batch coding, and maintain procurement and dispatch records which will evidence the traceability and first in first out. Time and temperature control, it was talked right from the distribution, storage, time and temperature control is very, very important, not only from the quality perspective but also from the food safety perspective and the calibration of temperature indicators. So I request all the equipment suppliers and the people who are into that please ensure that the temperature indicators and controllers are calibrated and due calibration certificate is given, because we struggle to get that calibration certificate from manufacturers. So that is the story today we need to look in. Different types of records are required as per the Food Safety and Standards Regulation, and these records includes your time and temperature records, process control records, calibration records, again pest control records, personal hygiene records. The personal hygiene records is a simple checklist maintained by quality or by production. Cleaning, sanitation and maintenance record, traceability record, and very important is training record. So how you train your people, how frequently you train your people, and there is new requirement that every manufacturing process shall have a minimum science graduate in production. That is one of the new requirements they have put up by food safety regulation. That's very important.